Good morning. This morning I'm going to read Flashing Fire Engines by Tony Mitten and Ant Parker. Big, bold fire engines waiting day and night, ready for a rescue or a blazing fire to fight. As soon as there's a fire alarm, the engine starts to roar. The firefighters jump aboard, it rumbles out the door. Watch the engine speeding on its daring dash. Hear its siren screaming, see its bright lights flash. In helmets, fireproof coats and trousers, boots so big and strong, the crew are dressed and ready as the engine zooms along. When the engine finds the fire, it quickly pulls up near. The crew jump out, unroll the hose and get out all the gear. The hose has got a nozzle that shoots a jet of spray. It squirts right at the blazing flames and sizzles them away. The water tank is empty soon, so where can more be found? The engine's pump can pull it up from pipes below the ground. The fire is hot and roaring, it makes a lot of smoke. The firefighters put on masks, otherwise they'd choke. The ladder rises upward, it reaches for the sky. A fire engine's ladder stretches up so very high. Sometimes there's a platform right up at the top. It waits beside the window, then into it you hop. At last the fire's extinguished, the flames are all put out. Lower the ladder, roll the hose, hooray, the fire crew shout. Back inside the station, the crew can take a break, but the fire engine's ready and it's waiting wide awake for the next adventure. And there's a picture of all the things the firemen need: their helmet, their fireproof coats and trousers, their masks and tanks, the special pump, the siren and the water tank. And that is the end of the flashing fire engine. Take care, boys and girls.